Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review and we are covering 5 best Wi-Fi boosters for RV Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is NETGEAR N300 Wall Plug Version Wi-Fi Range Extender, Best Indoor Wi-Fi Booster. The NETGEAR N300 Wi-Fi Extender offers a brilliant 600 square foot Wi-Fi extension range, allowing it to easily cover your entire RV and even broadcast its signals outside your vehicle. RVs are seldom larger than 400 square feet. They cannot go beyond this capacity by law, which is why a device with a 600 square foot range makes for an ideal RV Wi-Fi booster. This Wi-Fi booster contains external antennas. These help ensure that its broadcasted signals are evenly arranged through space, allowing the entire RV access to a reliable and strong internet connection. Additionally, this Wi-Fi range extender offers a healthy 300 megabits per second speed, allowing for speedy downloads and uninterrupted streaming sessions. It is compatible with most Wi-Fi router options. It can support a range of host devices, including PlayStations, Apple products, and Android devices. Pros: excellent Wi-Fi signal range. Fast data transfer rate. Affordable. Cons: troublesome setup. May require regular reboots. Number 2. Our second best pick is Winegard WF-4035 ODU Wi-Fi Extender, Best Warranty. The Winegard WF-4035 RV Wi-Fi repeater offers a 300 square foot Wi-Fi extension range, which is enough to cover your entire RV. This Wi-Fi extender system contains both an indoor and outdoor unit to help ensure your entire RV receives high-quality internet at uncompromised speeds. The indoor unit offers a 450 megabits per second data transfer rate at 2.4 GHz, while the outdoor unit offers 1,300 megabits per second at 5 GHz. Both devices are fully equipped with WPA and WPA2 PSK security systems to help protect from data breaches. Furthermore, the Winegard WF-4035 Wi-Fi extender is backed by an efficient 2-year warranty period, which is more than what the average Wi-Fi booster will offer you. Pros: contains 3 external antennas for uninterrupted, amplified Wi-Fi signals. 2-year warranty plan. Double firewall protection, SPI and NAT. Cons: cannot function without Winegard 4G LTE data plan. Expensive. Number 3. Our third best pick is King KF1000 Falcon Automatic Directional Wi-Fi Antenna Range Extender, Easiest Device Setup. The King KF1000 Falcon contains automatic directional Wi-Fi antennas that rotate by themselves to help effectively catch nearby Wi-Fi signals without the need for manual setup interference. It is compatible with all devices that support Wi-Fi connectivity, including mobile devices, PCs, and smart TVs. What's better is that the KF1000 Falcon takes mere minutes to set up, thanks to the brilliant King app available on both iOS and Android. This device weighs just 2.7 pounds, so you can easily fasten it anywhere without worrying about it falling off. This feature is extremely useful for RVs. These vehicles contain limited free space, which is why it's challenging to find a designated spot for your Wi-Fi extender. Luckily, the KF1000 Falcon is compact and lightweight enough to fit virtually anywhere with ease. Pros: setup supported by King app, iOS and Android. Automatic directional Wi-Fi antenna to effectively extend Wi-Fi range. 1-year warranty period. Cons: cannot be used as a standalone Wi-Fi hotspot. Must be supported by an external Wi-Fi router. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Alpha Camp Pro 2 Long Range Wi-Fi Repeater RV Kit. Contains external RV booster tube. This device contains a robust fiberglass exterior casing that helps it stay in top condition even when placed in a rough outdoor setting. Furthermore, it comes with an external RV booster tube that effectively extends distant pre-existing Wi-Fi signals. It can scan existing Wi-Fi routers even if they're a few hundred feet away, which is what makes this device so brilliant. You don't need to worry about having your Wi-Fi router extremely close to establish a strong connection with it. This device, however, is solely dependent upon pre-existing Wi-Fi signals and cannot generate any of its own, so keep that in mind before making the purchase. Pros: easy setup thanks to Special Setup Wizard. Strong, fiberglass-encased exterior makes it perfect for outdoor use. Lightweight and easy to mount on walls. Cons: limited to extending existing Wi-Fi signals only. Expensive for a device that only offers repeating technology. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Securify Almond Touchscreen Wireless Range Extender, Best Touchscreen Device. Ever wished your Wi-Fi router or extender offered an easily accessible touchscreen interface? Well, you're in luck because the Securify Almond Touchscreen Wireless Range Extender does exactly that. You can use this device both as a primary Wi-Fi router and as a range extender device. You don't need to worry about needing a PC to set it up either. Simply tap the touchscreen to complete setup within a few minutes from scratch. In fact, the manufacturer claims that it'll only take 3 minutes to set up. When used purely as a Wi-Fi extender, this device works well with virtually any existing router. This includes popular options like NETGEAR, Linksys, and Belkin. It offers a 300 megabits per second data transfer rate and is supported by a 2.4 GHz frequency band. Moreover, the device itself is remarkably compact, measuring just 1.9 x 4.8 x 4.3 in total. Pros: convenient touchscreen interface. No PC or CD needed for setup. Compact build. Cons: average hardware construction. Ethernet ports may damage easily, leading to inconsistent speeds. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.